3 cheap superfoods that rebuild muscle after 50, science-backed. Sarcopenia accelerates at rates of 3 to 5% per decade after the age of 50. Journal of Cachexia, 2023. But research has indicated that certain cheap foods reverse this great loss from enhancing protein synthesis, reducing inflammation, and enhancing strength. Hey, you shall know about 3 scientifically backed, wallet-friendly superfoods in a way that they put most premium muscle supplements to shame with speed, all available at your local grocery store. Number 1. Eggs, the ultimate muscle-building protein. The science behind. A study conducted by American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2022 stated that older individuals eating 2 eggs per day increased their muscle mass by 40% compared to those old who didn't eat any egg. Eggs are a treasure of leucine that is a muscle growth triggering amino acid. Journal of Nutrition, 2021. They also comprise vitamin D, which lessens muscular weakness. British Medical Journal, 2020. So why is it cheap? Have a checkmark #0.20, 0.20, 0.50 per egg, among the cheapest high-protein foods. How to eat. Scrambled with spinach. Hard-boiled as a snack. Poached over whole grain toast. Don't skip the yolk, it contains half the protein with key nutrients. Number 2. Cottage cheese, the ultimate nighttime muscle booster. The science behind it. According to a research in Frontos and Nutrition published in 2023, cottage cheese consumption before bedtime raised the rate of muscle restoration overnight by 30% because casein protein, which is slow digesting, contains it. Moreover, this product is packed with calcium and phosphorus, which are required for the strength of a person's bone and muscle together. Osteoporosis International, 2022. Why is it cheap? #2 for old cheap rock bottom compared to protein powders. Recipe: with berries for a sweet snack, mixed into smoothies. As a savory dip with cucumber slices. Choose low-sodium versions to keep bloat in check. Number 3. Peanuts are ultimate muscle-preserving snack. Science behind it. According to a study in the Journal of the American Heart Association, healthy fats, protein, and arginine, an amino acid that promotes blood flow to muscle, maintain muscle degeneration due to peanuts. They are also rich in magnesium, which reduces muscle cramps. Nutrients, 2023. Why is it cheap? $2.23 per pound, less expensive than almonds or walnuts. How to eat them. As peanut butter on whole grain toast roasted with spices for a crunchy snack blended into sauces. Like satay, avoid salted or honey roasted on their own, extra sugar, and sodium damage muscles. Muscle growth meal plan meal food combo breakfast scrambled eggs plus spinach plus whole grain toast. Snack cottage cheese plus blueberries. Lunch grilled chicken plus quinoa plus roasted peanuts, dinner salmon plus sweet potato plus steamed broccoli. Which of these superfoods will you add to your diet? Comment below. If you found this article helpful, then share with others on social media.